Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Yashmita and today we will talk about suffering and why we continue to suffer a lot in our life and why we are not able to let go of the pain, the sorrow, the suffering of the past and the worries of the future, the guilt and everything that we continue to suffer in our day-to-day life. Why is it happening and why we are not able to let go of that suffering? So I'm reading this book called No Mud, No Lotus, and this is a really amazing book. And this book is about transforming your suffering into compassion, into joy, into a life where there are hopes and enjoyment, and where there is a bright future. So in this book, the author has written that Buddha has said that whatever we feed continues to grow on. Just like our bodies, if we don't eat, if we don't drink, we are not likely to survive if we don't eat and if we don't drink. So this is about our states of mind as well. If we don't feed, if we don't keep on giving attention to our suffering and if we don't think about it again and again, then there comes a point in life when that suffering is not going to overwhelm you, is not going to keep on bugging you all the time. But what we are doing is we are always giving more and more attention to the suffering, but we are not giving it attention in the right way, the way that we should give it to. First of all, we have to acknowledge that suffering is there. We have to recognize that there is a pain in our heart, and there is a sorrow, there is a guilt, there is a fear. We have to acknowledge these feelings, but we don't acknowledge these feelings, which is why these feelings act out like a small kid whenever we are in a situation and there is just and we are confused and we don't know what to do. Somehow this suffering overwhelms us, and it forces us to make a wrong decision. It forces us to become who we are not. So the first thing in transforming the suffering is to acknowledge and to recognize the suffering. What we are doing is we don't spend time with ourselves. Suppose we are in home and we are alone, rather than thinking about and acknowledge these feelings, we are turning on the Netflix, we are watching TV, or we are playing a game. We will do anything just to avoid these feelings, just to run away from these feelings. So what we can do is, first step is to take a deep breath and acknowledge that suffering is there and the pain is there. What we can do is we can just take a deep breath, and while taking the deep breath we have to say hello to our suffering. So while taking the deep breath in, we have to say I know suffering is there, and while breathing out you have to say hello to your suffering. So it's like that. I know suffering is there, I say hello to my suffering. And this is such a transformative and such an amazing way to recognize your suffering. When I was reading that book, and I instantly did this practice just for about 2 or 3 seconds, and I felt this kind of freedom, this kind of joy in my heart. It's like when you give attention to a small baby who is crying and who is continuously demanding something from you, and you are not giving it to it, and suddenly when you hand over that candy or hand over that bottle of milk to that baby, that feeling, I felt that feeling within myself when I did this practice. And for about just like 2 or 3 mindful breaths like this, I almost cried out, because maybe there is a suffering and there is a pain in our life that we don't want to acknowledge, and we don't want to put attention, because we don't know how to deal with that pain. We don't know, if we think about it and if we give attention to it, how we are going to solve those problems. And finding solutions to your problems and sufferings is another thing, but first we have to acknowledge that they exist. Because if we don't acknowledge them, then they will keep on bugging us in our life, and they will keep on just like I said, they will force us to do things and force us to make decisions that are not right. So I want you to do this practice. Just take a deep breath in, say I know suffering is there, and while breathing out you have to say I say hello to my suffering, I say hello to my pain, and I say hello to my fear, or any kind of emotion that you think that you have within yourself but you're not able to deal with it, or you're not able to manage that emotion very well. So if you do this practice, I'm sure that you will feel a kind of freedom that I felt when I did it, and it is really liberating, and it is really awesome to feel that emotion, because we are all suffering in deep inside, but we just don't want to acknowledge our suffering, maybe because some of the pains, some of the sorrows are just too much to deal with. I understand that, but to run away from those pain and to run away from those problems is not the solution. The first step, you have to take the first step of acknowledging your problems, acknowledging your suffering. You have to say to yourself that you are suffering and you have a pain in your life. Also, we don't do this practice because we think we are way too strong and we are way too emotionally independent, that we don't have to deal with these emotions, and they will just hide away in the back of our mind. But this is not true. Yes, we are strong, yes, we are emotionally independent, everything is right, everything is true. But if you are really strong, then you will do this practice, because only a strong person can face these emotions, can accept that they are hurting, that they are in pain. And it is important to accept that you are in pain. And the author also says that if we acknowledge our suffering, then maybe later on we can transform this suffering into something beautiful, just like I said, compassion, something beautiful like understanding, joy, and we can help other people as well in transforming their suffering into good emotions, the healthy emotions. So let's do this, and let's help other people as well. Let's share this knowledge as much as we can. So I want you to do this practice right after this video. Just take a deep breath in, say to yourself, I know suffering is there, and take a deep breath out and say to yourself, I say hello to my suffering. And this is a really amazing way to deal with your suffering, to manage your suffering, and transforming it into something beautiful, something amazing, the universal emotion, and that is compassion and understanding for yourself and for other people as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Much love to you and happiness to you.